Today, I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive verify data from Avantage Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am. I understand English.
Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am. I am willing.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
Do you have tattoos in your skin?
Ma'am?
Do you have tattoos in your
I
skin?
no.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
I am healthy, ma'am.
If you feel unwell or if you think that there is something inside your body, better stay in the Philippines so that you won't give us problem at the same time, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am. I agree.
Is this your first time working abroad?
No, ma'am. I work
Why?
in.
Okay, so why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia?
It's because they said it's a English widespread usage in Malaysia and same time no time difference.
Okay, so this is not your first time working abroad. Do you think what is the quality of being a good domestic helper?
The quality.
Yes.
I don't understand.
Sorry?
Uh, what is the quality working in Malaysia?
What is the quality of being a good domestic helper?
Ah, I like being a domestic helper, ma'am, because I experienced in Saudi for eight
Okay, can you
years.
help me introduce yourself, please?
Okay, my name is Lucia Bati, 34 years old from um, Mindanao. Then I worked in Saudi Arabia for 8 years. My main responsibilities is general cleaning, then laundry. I also sometimes play with my employer's grandchild.
Okay, I need to know some few more details from you first, right? Are you single or married?
Single mom.
Single mother?
No, single.
So you don't have any children.
No, mom.
How old are you?
34, mom.
When is your birthday?
February 24,
What
1990
year?
1992.
What is your height and your weight?
My height is 5'3", and then my weight is 62, mom, when I go to the medical.
Alright, what is your religion?
Catholic, mom, Roman Catholic.
What about your educational background?
I finished 2 years in northwestern Mindanao in uh, Laboyo, ma'am, in Mindanao.
Is it college level, high school, senior, or what?
Uh, Dari, ma'am.
High
Just 2 years.
school,
Hindi, ma'am.
college,
College. Yes.
undergraduate. In what course?
Undergrad. Computer technology.
Is your family allowed you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
How many brother and sister do you have?
I have six brothers.
What about
We
sister?
no, only
What is
one.
your rank in your family?
Ma'am?
What is your rank in your family?
Six, ma'am. I'm six in the Qatar
What about
family.
your parents? How old is your parents and what is their occupation?
My mother is deceased and my father is 76 years old.
All right. So you mentioned that this is not your first time working abroad, but rather than you work to your previous employer, you have a working experience in KSA
Yes,
for 8 years. In
yes, ma'am.
one employer only, is it?
Yes,
What
it's
year
one.
did you started and what year did you finish your contract?
2016, ma'am. I start 2016 then end in 2024.
All right. So Are you the only helper or do you have companion?
No, I am the only helper, ma'am.
So you do the house chores, cooking, laundry, and ironing?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you take your
But
children
sometimes,
also?
yes, the grandchild.
How
There's
old is the
two.
child, the children that you take care?
Uh, the the small the 3 and 1, ma'am.
3 years
They're
old and 1 years old. 1 year old. All right. So after 2024, do you have any working experience?
just in local, ma'am. I applied for laundry.
Laundry as what? How many years?
No, it's just 1 year.
What year is it?
2024 to 2025. I don't. Yes, 2024 and 2025.
You work as
It's like
what?
laundry shop, ma'am.
Laundry shop.
Yes.
All right, working abroad is not that so easy, most especially that you have your working experience as a domestic helper. You know that working as a DH is not that a simple job. It is a very tough one. And I would
Yes,
like to
ma'am.
let you know that KSA and Malaysia is quite different. A huge difference. Houses here is very big one. Employers here is very particular when it comes of cleanliness. So you need to get ready yourself because you might experience some things that you didn't experience in KSA.
I think I understand now because my employer is my old employer is a doctor, so he really is for the cleanliness.
It's okay. So are you okay or are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am. I think I can manage. Yes,
Can you take care elderly people?
yes, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
What variety of cuisine you can prepare if you know how to cook?
Uh, I experienced in Saudi, ma'am, like kabsa, like that. In Saudi,
Okay.
usually here in Saudi is always chicken. So
But you are willing to learn some new recipes.
yes, ma'am. I am
Can
willing
you
to learn.
caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am. After I arrived in Saudi, my originally employer is their mother, so I experienced just one month, and after that, he
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
yes, ma'am.
This is a 2 years contract, same like what you have signed in KSA. But
Yes,
unfortunately, you cannot simply say you wanted to go back home because you cannot handle your job anymore. You miss your family, or there is any uncertain situations happen back to your family in the Philippines. This is a 2 years contract, and once you terminate your contract without cause, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency, as nobody force you to come and work here in Malaysia.
yes,
Are you aware that you cannot hold your phone for 24 hours?
yes, ma'am.
You can hold your phone during nighttime only after you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. And this is a strictly no go out policy. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house, and if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with our rules and regulations?
Because I experienced it in Saudi, ma'am. No phone, because Saudi,
Okay, so
my
as I have mentioned many times, we don't force people to come here. If you don't like our terms and conditions, better don't come here. Don't give us problem.
yes,
If you really wanted to come, please work properly. Don't give us problem. Yeah. You have a lot of choices. You can stay in the Philippines or find job opportunities into other countries. Yeah.
yes, ma'am.
Always remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad because you wanted to sustain your family's needs and you wanted to give a better future for your children at the same time. Or, sorry, you don't have any children, to your family. In Philippines, you can do whatever you want, but here in Malaysia, no such a thing. We need to humble ourselves, follow the rules and regulations of the employer, and we need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time. Any problems, any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
You've been stuck in the Philippines for almost 2 years. How will you
Yes.
gonna deal with your homesickness later?
Uh, I just uh from I just go like vacation here, ma'am, because I want to spend my time with my father.
Homesickness. How will you gonna deal with your homesickness
No,
once it
I
strikes you?
homesickness, mom.
Okay, I think that's all for now, Lucia. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Globalize agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer, okay?
Okay, thank
Thank you
you,
so much
mom.
and have a good day.